Today, I am going to be going from the easiest to the hardest developer engines to figure out which is the best for me. I will be giving them each a rating based on their usability, their abilities, and how much fun I had using them. Without further ado, let's get started with Scratch. Okay, so in Scratch, I decided to go with a platform game because I felt like that just made the most sense, was the easiest, and I think I'll be able to really do that like across all the different games. I started by watching this YouTube tutorial just so I could like figure out how to make the movement. And I got that good, and then I started my level design. So here's the final product. Okay, here's the final product. This is the game that I've been working on for like 2 hours. Okay, so you use your arrow keys and your L1 key, and you gotta get. Look, I have a little like speedrunner skip. I'm not gonna use it. Oh, it's kind of a little broken. Then you go there, and here's the winning screen. You're kind of stuck there though, but like it's fine. We're chill. Um, so yeah, this was kind of a disaster, but this took me actually a while. Yikes. I'm gonna go into Unity next. Unity's our next game. So I'll see y'all over there, and yeah, I hope that game's better than this one. All right, so usability, I'm gonna give 10 because it's really simple, really easy to use. For ability, I'm gonna give like a 3 because there's not a lot of things you can do on it. And finally, for overall fun, I'm gonna give it like a 4 because it wasn't that bad, but it wasn't great. So I think what I'm gonna do for this build is I'm gonna make it like a 3D layout, but I'm just gonna put the camera so it's like looking at the player, so it's almost gonna look 2D. Okay, so it's been about a day, and I cannot get the animations for this working. But I did get some of the like I got all the movement working and stuff. So now it's just gonna be time to create a map. So I'm gonna start with that. Yeah, there's no like animations for walking and stuff, and I couldn't figure that out. So maybe sometime I'll have to go back and fix it. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And just like that, we have our Unity project done. So here's the map. It looks a little goofy from out here. If we go into the play mode though, then it's a little thing. You can't go. Oh, just pretend like you didn't see that. So basically, if you run into like a surface for some reason, then you just die. Okay. Um. Also, for some reason, you sometimes can walk backwards, but it's only like when the level starts, and I don't know what causes you to be able to go forward. Shoot. Ooh. Okay. Oh, let's go. Banana. Oh. Oh. I can try this one more time. So yeah, nothing really happens when you get to the banana. I didn't really add that, but like, I don't know, it's not important, right? Oh, that's cool. Oh no, not again. But okay, yeah, let's get on to our next engine, which is Unreal Engine. Um, so yeah, see you over there. All right, for Unity, I'm gonna have to give the usability like a 6 because you still have to like kind of be able to somewhat code and stuff. So it's not too beginner friendly. Um, and then for ability, I'm gonna give it like a 10 because you can do like pretty much anything you want in there. There's just endless possibilities. And then for overall fun, I'm gonna give like an 8 just because it's really fun to mess around with, really fun to figure stuff out. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you. I hate to be that guy, but if you are enjoying this, please subscribe. And back to the video. Alright, I ended up switching over to this other template because it just gives you like I couldn't figure out the movement. I was so confused, and then I was like, wait, I think that so this is gonna make my life so much easier. Now I basically just have to create a map. So yeah, let's get started with that.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all. Ooh, we are finally done with the last build. This one's pretty easy. I just went like straight out layout. All I had to do was the map because I spent like 3 days trying to figure out how to get the movement and stuff, and then I was like, oh shoot, there's like a thing. Um, so yeah, I just used the template. I wanted to stick with like the monkey getting the banana kind of theme, but I'm too lazy to like try and figure out how to do that. So yeah. So here's the game. I didn't want it too boring, so I added this little thing. Like if you come over here, this jump right here is impossible. So you have to like come over here and get the ball. I figured that's a little fun thing. You know, you just kind of like run into it like face first, but just chill. Um, yeah. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Pretty easy. Um, I don't know. I'd like to see a speed run on this. Let's go. I made it, and then you get to here, and nothing happens. So yeah, I think that is the end of the video, other than like the ratings and stuff, which I've actually been forgetting to do, and then I was like, oh shoot, I gotta do that, so I'll figure that stuff out. But yeah, so head on to the rating for this one. Alright, so for usability, I'm gonna give it a 9 because the templates just make it so much easier and so good. So I'm gonna have to give it a 9 for usability. Um, for ability, I'm gonna have to go 8 because I think it's got like a lot of potential. I didn't dive into too much of that, so I'm not really sure. Because it was kind of like difficult that aspect of it. And then for overall fun, I'm gonna give that a 7 because it's pretty fun. But also, when you don't know how to do, like when you're starting to learn it, it's really tough to like get going and stuff. Um, so yeah. And after further review, it is a three-way tie. They literally all ended with an average of 8 out of 10. Um, so yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. And please subscribe if you haven't. And let me know in the comments what video you want to see next. Peace.